What's up guys, I'm Serge.
And I'm Ross.
Welcome to the SalvageBoiz channel.
What's up guys? So today we're going to be working on our newest rebuild, which is a 2008 Audi Q7 S-Line 4.2 liter V8. Let's show you around so you can see the damage that's on it. Alright, so here it is. It looks like it had a fender bender with another vehicle. The fender got bent, pushed back, so we'll need a new fender, a new hood, new bumper cover, and new headlights. We're gonna see if we can get this bumper cover repaired. A new bumper cover is about $1,000, so we'll see if we can save that. So right off the bat, if we look in here, we have a aluminum core support or reinforcement bar that's bent, and so is the core support. So let's go ahead and get to it and take it apart and see what hidden damage we have. So got the bumper off so we can see what else is damaged. Right off the bat, you can see that the brackets are broken off the headlights, so we'll need 2 new headlights. They're H80, so they'll probably be a little spendy, which is okay. We need this aluminum crash bar, and the brackets looks like they're a little bit bent. New core support. I checked the AC blows nice and cold, and the radiators still have all the fluids, so we won't need to replace any of that. So let's go ahead and take off the headlights and take the core support off and see what else is damaged. I was thinking all this time that it needs new headlights. I almost placed an order on some, and then I figured out that they sit in this headlight holder bracket. Just pull this tab up and this bracket slides out, and this bracket is where the mounting tabs for the headlights sit. So I went ahead and placed an order for 2 of these headlight holders. They're about $55 each instead of spending $500 on each headlight, so that saved me a lot. Now we just gotta pull off the crash bar and the radiator support and see if there's anything else we have missed. Alright guys, so we got it all disassembled. There was no hidden damage that I thought there would be. The frame rails are straight, the radiators are nice and not damaged, and when you actually close the hood now, you can see that, you know, everything lines up nice. So now we just need to order the parts, and we'll go from there. And I always get a lot of questions asking, you know, do you need special tools to work on, you know, German cars? Well, this is just with the Craftsman toolbox and some power tools, and we got this Audi disassembled. So on the next episode, we'll see, get all new parts, put them on, and drive the SUV down to the body shop and get it painted, and so it would be done to go. This is the bumper cover, and this is the damage that it has right here, a little bit right here, and right here. So I talked to my body shop guy, and he said he's going to be able to repair this. We'll just buy new grills, new fog lights, new LED strips that go in here, and the bumper should be complete. Hey guys, so for today the plan is to get this fender taken off so I can take it to my welder and see if he could weld this back together. It's aluminum. That way my body guys can bondo it and get it ready so we don't have to buy a new fender. We also got the headlight brackets in, so if we can get the fender welded today, we'll install it back and get the radiator support back on and the headlights, so we can take it over back to the body shop. the old hood fixed. The new hood is like $1,000, so my body guy said he can fix it, so that's what he's doing. Hey guys, now that this build has came to a complete, I wanted to show a quick walk around of how it came out all done, so you guys can see how the finished product looks like. So here's a quick walk around. I actually had Michael's Auto Body repair the bumper and the hood, so we saved both of those. All that I bought for this car, the headlight brackets and the radiator support and the crash bar and some minor little brackets. But here's the SUV all done. I don't know if I ever said this, but this car is on air ride, so it actually lifts up, goes down, has like 5 different modes that you can select. Came out perfect, couldn't be more happier with it. Now it's time to move on to the next project.
Hey, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe.
See you on the next one.
And follow us on Instagram at SalvageBoiz to see some sneak peeks of our projects coming up or in between the videos. That way you can stay up to date on what's happening.
Thank you.